Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to change shirt color in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. This is an image from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now we can change the color of shirt. Firstly, we can make selection around the shirt. We can use Object Selection tool and move the cursor to the shirt and click it and wait a moment. We can select the shirt and then we can go to Layers window. If you don't have Layers window, we can go to Window and Show Layers here. Now we can go back to Layers window and then go to bottom. We can find the adjustment layer that we can change the color. I think the straightforward way is using hue and saturation. So I use it, and then we can change the value of hue. We can change it to green, or we can change it to blue. And also we can go to saturation. We can make it less saturation, and we can make it more saturation to make it sharp. And also we can change the brightness. So this is how we can change shirt color in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.